Good Friday morning. We continue to track Tropical Depression 13, which is approaching the northern Leeward Islands. And the 5 a.m. advisory indicating that max sustained winds remain at 35 miles an hour. It is still moving west-northwest at 21 miles an hour, and it is forecast to continue moving in that general direction. Tropical storm watches are in place for the northern Leeward Islands, for the Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, parts of the Turks and Caicos, and southeast Bahamas as well. As we look at the threat cone, meaning the forecast cone, and the potential for tropical storm conditions indicated by yellow, as we head throughout the next few hours, we're going to see conditions deteriorating over the northern Leeward Islands throughout the day today. Some heavy rain, gusty winds will be impacting them. And yes, it is forecast to become a tropical storm, possibly late tonight into tomorrow morning before it moves near or north of the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. So this will be important. We'll be watching to see if there is any interaction with the land, because that could help weaken the storm. But if it tracks further north, then it still has the opportunity to move over these warm waters of the ocean and possibly head towards the Turks and Caicos, Bahamas, or Hispaniola. As we head into Saturday and eventually into early Sunday morning, you'll notice that it is forecast to move across parts of the Bahamas or Cuba throughout the day on Sunday. By Monday morning, we are still in that cone, although it's shifted a little bit to the south. We can't let our guard down yet, because we still here in South Florida could be dealing with the potential for tropical storm conditions, or possibly even a low-end hurricane, because the Hurricane Center is forecasting that it could be strengthening to a Cat 1 hurricane as we head into possibly late Monday into Tuesday morning, before it moves into the Gulf of Mexico and potentially heads towards the Florida Panhandle or Alabama or Mississippi. Basically, the entire Gulf Coast is on high alert, not only due to Tropical Depression 13, but also due to 14, which we'll get to in a second. The reason the forecast cone is shifted a little bit to the south is because the models are also trending a little bit more to the south. So as we look at that ensemble, it's still pointed in our general direction. We are seeing the potential of dealing with a tropical storm, or again, a low-grade hurricane Monday, and then eventually it'll move into the Gulf of Mexico. The reason that it's still depression is there's some dryer and some wind shears, so it's trying to get its act together. It's having a little bit of a difficult time. And then as we look at tropical depression number 14, this has a high chance of becoming a tropical storm later today. It is moving towards the Nicaragua-Honduras border, where already we're seeing tropical storm warnings in place, and hurricane watch is in place for the Yucatan Peninsula, because it is forecast to move towards the northwest and eventually into the Gulf of Mexico and become a Category 1 hurricane and move towards either the Texas or Louisiana coastline here. So as we look at our live view from our Windjammer Resort camera, it is a lovely start to the day. In fact, look at this purple sky, courtesy of Heidi Hanford of Fort Lauderdale, and another pink and purple sky, courtesy of Sandra Cape with Lauderdale by the Sea. However, we do have some showers out there, so keep your umbrella closed. We're seeing a few downpours moving near Tamarack, Sunrise, and Davie, as well as some showers around Hallandale Beach and Aventura, as well as near North Beach earlier and across the Upper Keys. So throughout the day, the rain chance not as high as yesterday, while winds are calm in Broward. Elsewhere, about 6 to 14 miles an hour, upper 70s, low 80s, highs around 90 today. Spotty storms, building breeze. Yeah, it'll be turning breezier today. Boaters keep that in mind. A moderate chop on the bays. Tonight, partly cloudy, warm and muggy. And the weekend is looking breezy with passing showers. Of course, our weather conditions may deteriorate on Sunday, especially into Monday and Tuesday, depending on the tropics.